Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with two unboxings. Actually, you're going to see two videos combined into one. The first one, the second one in the video, I actually recorded first, but it'll be second in the video. So the first thing I want to unbox is by Mealy. She is a ceramic artist. She's one of my favorite artisan bead makers, and I have ordered from her a few times. I met her in Tucson as well. And she had a sale on her private Facebook group last month. So I got my hands on two sets, and I'm super excited. Like she never has beads for the price that she had at this point. I think she was doing a clear out, and she just had random sets of pendants, and then she had bead lots too, or bead strands, I should say. So I got two sets of three, I think. First one is this awesome green heart, and her pictures don't do him justice. Like, her work is just so wonderful. I do the same thing. I don't finish the back of my pieces, so I kind of wish, that artists would sign the back of their pieces, but I don't, so I can't blame her. It's really pretty though. I love that vibrant green. And I don't really have a lot of the shiny raku pieces because I'm really in love with the matte raku pieces. So that's the first piece in the first grouping that I got. Ooh, I just love the donut shapes. You guys know that I've been buying a lot of donut pieces, like gemstone pieces, and I've been making my own polymer clay pieces. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Love it. I just love it. And it looks old and worldly and just vibrant at the same time. So cool. It also could look like something from the future too, with the bright, vibrant colors. And then we have another donut. I'm so excited. I'm like in donut heaven right now. I'm not eating any calories. This is so beautiful. I love that pale pink. And we've got teal, like turquoisey, and a little bit of purple. This is gorgeous. Amy, you did a great job on these. And I'm so lucky that I got them. So here's the first set. And then, let's see. Looks like I got another donut in here. Here's this. This looks bigger than I thought it would be, so that's great. Ooh, so this is just the nice raku finish. So if you guys don't know what raku is, usually when I did it in college, we fired the piece, like the glaze is fired not in a kiln, but like in fire with newspapers is how I did it. I'm not quite sure. I know Amy said she has like a nice old oven, I think, but I remember digging a pit at school and we fired them that way. This is stunning. So beautiful. I need to figure out how to do this with polymer clay. On my long list of experiments to try, but this is so gorgeous. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Probably going to covet it for a while. I have my, Amy has her own drawer in my bookcase display, so I'll show you guys that in a second. So there's that one. And she sent them in a nice little box, 4x4x4 box. It's going to be recycled for when I sell something. This is gorgeous. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited I got that. Now I'm mad at myself for not getting more because these look so pretty in real life. They look great in her pictures, but they look gorgeous in real life, Oh, so pretty. I can't, like, once I have my absolute dream home with enough space for a kiln or raku pit, I will be doing ceramics again. I miss ceramics. And then here's a donut. Ooh, that's so pretty. Look at this. Look at that. It's interesting how vibrant it is here. And then we have like this mauve color. Mauve color? How do you say that? And then more pink and yellow. Oh, it's so beautiful. I'm going to have to say my favorite pieces are this one, which is shocking to me because I kind of got it for this. Like, I went for this one because it had a donut in it. This one, I really like this one, and then I think these two are my favorite. Oh my gosh, they're shockingly beautiful. So hang on a second. I'm gonna grab my drawer and I'll show you. It's a very tiny drawer. Okay, I think at some point or another I've shown you all of these pieces, but it's just a little acrylic drawer. If you guys have seen my bracelet videos where I show you my bracelet collections, you'll see that I constructed some bracelet drawers out of these acrylic drawers from the Dollar Tree. Well, they're back in stock, or at least around me, and I went and got a ton of them for my Artisan beads, because the acrylic drawer units you see at like Home Goods and Amazon, they're so expensive. So yeah, I thought this was a really cool way to display all my favorite beads by my favorite artists. And then I'll just go ahead and throw her, well, not throw because they're fragile, put her new pieces in here. So when I met her in person is when I bought these hearts, and I think these little round beads, and maybe this guy. But since then I won this from her, and I purchased these two in different sales that she's had, and I just love adding a new piece to any of my Artisan drawers, but certainly my Amy drawer. The funny thing is I haven't been able to make myself use one yet, so maybe now that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 donuts, I'll actually get my button gear and make myself make something. So thanks for watching. Stick around for the second part of this video, which is not an Artisan bead haul, but a bead haul from a Destash group. And then at the end, I'll show you Goldie, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Hey there, it's Brittany. I'm back with an unboxing video. I'm pretty sure I got this stuff. Yeah, I got this stuff from a Facebook group. I think it was the Destash group. I'll double check where I got it, and then I'll put it in the description below. The seller was called All Eyes on You Designs LLC. I only bought 4 things, but they were bigger, nicer items. So let's see. Let's see what's in here. I'm sorry, I'm just trying. I haven't unboxed anything. It's all in in this. This seller was this pendant, and I just kind of hemmed and hawed, and then I finally just bought it. It is a dragon, which I'm not a huge dragon fan, but I just thought that this was such a beautiful carved pendant that I would wear it. I don't care that there's a dragon on it. You can always turn it around, but I just think it's really beautifully done. This is called Polychrome Jasper Carved Dragon. This was $9.50, and that's kind of why I hemmed and hawed, because it was big and it was expensive. But I actually ended up winning $5 off my order, or shipping or something. So it kind of made me feel better that I had already claimed that. Let's see, what else do we have? Oh, these are goddess connectors. I don't have a lot of goddess stuff, but I do have a couple of the beads. I just thought these were really neat. I thought these were so cool. And they're they're not double-sided, but they're finished on the back. So I guess that does make them double-sided. So if you really wanted to make this a pendant and connect it to here, you could snip off that loop, or do whatever you want. You could snip off the bottom, but just thought they were really cool. I got 4 of these, and they were 60 cents each. And I honestly don't know if they have any left. This one's bent. You want to be careful, because I don't know that this is all metal. It could be that plated pewter that snaps right in half, but I mean, they're very nice. I don't know that that's the case. The next I have this pendant. I think this is vintage. Yeah, large vintage pendant. I thought it was so neat. That is so neat. It definitely looks like early 90s or late 80s, or maybe even full on 80s, but it also looks like really tribal. So I thought, I could do something with that. And I can't tell. Yeah, this is two-tone. So I thought it was two-tone. It's like silver in the middle and then gold on the edges. But I couldn't tell from the pictures if it was, or if it was just really like gold in the middle. But I thought this was really cool. And it feels like something they would make today, but this one's actually vintage. So I'll probably be hanging on to that for a while, because I want to make something special to go with it. My inspiration for jewelry is like really taking a nosedive for jewelry making, because I'm not going anywhere, and I'm not wearing jewelry when I go anywhere anyway. because it's literally to the gas station or to, which I'm not buying gas 'cause I'm not going anywhere, or to the grocery store. And I just, if I'm wearing a mask, nobody cares about my jewelry. I just feel like I don't know, I'm in the dumps about not wearing jewelry. All my jewelry is still actually packed. It's like a vicious cycle here. So anyway, then the last thing I bought was this Indonesia bead. $3. This was only $3. The large vintage pendant was $4. This one was $3.50, and it's just stunning. It's so gorgeous. This is gonna go in my I have two bookcases behind me. One bookcase is keeping it like a lot of the tools and wire and all the connectors and stuff, and then the other one's keeping my nicer beads that I want to display. So this one's gonna go in there. This is so pretty. These two are my favorite from this haul. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. It was a really quick video. I will, again, leave the information down below, and I'll reach out to the sellers, see if they have an email, not an email, but a website. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Hi, Goldie. Yeah, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Can you say hello? He's so sleepy.